what I was sure of. You're secretly inside. I'm dying, emotionally violent. So tell me.
I want to make oatmeal. I'm going to be using coconut milk, so I'm going to be extracting my coconut milk from this fresh coconut. Yes, I've already eaten most of them self. I use it and do snacks, but anyway, today I want to be making oatmeal for breakfast. I'll show you guys 3 oatmeal you can make for breakfast. Quick and easy oatmeal breakfast recipe. So these are all my toppings I am going to be using for today's video. I have banana. I'm going to be using banana first as well. So first of all, let us grate this and I'll show you guys how I extract my coconut milk. If you have a blender, you can use your blender. It's much easier with blender than doing this the manual way. And I am going to add water inside. Allow it to soak and squeeze it with my hand to bring out the milk. Our coconut milk, freshly made. So I'll allow it to boil small before I will add in my oatmeal and mix. 1/4. That's the normal measurement I use. Anytime I'm taking my oatmeal, I use 1/4, which will give us 62 ml. The chaff of the coconut, I'm thinking of drying it, using pan to dry it, then I will blend it and to turn to coconut flour. Yeah, I think that's what I will do. I will dry it with pan, then blend it when NEPA brings light so that it will turn to coconut flour. I can use to do pancake. Yep. Ready. This is the oatmeal. I put chai seed inside. I use 1/2 tablespoon of chai seed inside. So I'm going to allow this to cool down small because it's so hot before I put in my banana and the remaining ones, which I'll show you guys the after result. So let it cool down. This is the food. I have coconuts and cocoa chips. I also have coconut and cinnamon chips inside with the banana, and this is maple syrup, chocolate maple syrup. So anyway, this is it. I'm going to be enjoying this now.
I don't know. Want it too much, we lose it so fast. Would you try?
Moment of truth. Let's devour this. This is very good. What happened to my light? This is very, very yummy. Like, so yummy.
Yeah, it's all good now. What about forever? Secretly inside, I'm dying emotionally.
So this is one of my favorite oatmeal recipe. Okay, pancake. Okay, this is gonna fill you up throughout the whole day. So you need Greek yogurt, you need eggs, you need banana. Okay, and you can use any topping of your choice. All right, so in a blender like this, I'm cracking 2 eggs. Okay, so egg is really amazing for, is a good source of protein. Okay, it has vitamin, it has zinc, it has a lot of amazingness for your health. All right, so I'm adding two banana as well. So banana is really really good, okay, for your health and weight loss journey as well. Then I'm using oatmeal. Sometimes eating porridge oats can be boring, but these are three ways I eat my oats, and it's not boring for me. All right, the first one was a porridge oatmeal, which I use coconut milk to make. So this one is not going to have any milk. I'm using 2 tablespoons of yogurt, okay, Greek yogurt, and after blending I'm going to transfer it into a plate like this. And I love the consistency of it anyways, so you can make yours thicker, you can make yours like this. It all depends. So I'm using this measuring cup to measure how many cups I put inside for my pancake. Yeah, love. So I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know. So in the comment section, we'll be trying this recipe. After I use a little bit of oil, don't go overboard with the oil. Just little bit of oil. Then your pancake is ready just like this. Mine is not so 100% perfect, but it's what I'm eating. So yeah, and I top it up with some banana and chocolate syrup, and I enjoyed this with my green tea. This tasted so amazing. I was filled the whole day till around like 4 before I ate.
Tell me, how am I doing? I don't know.
So the next breakfast idea is overnight oatmeal. I love this a lot. Okay, this is another go-to breakfast for me. All right. So ever since I started this weight loss journey, this is my go-to breakfast. Overnight oatmeal. Okay, sorry for my throat. Is high in fiber and it has a lot of protein content in it. Okay, which promotes feeling a fullness and can help reduce overall calorie intake. So anytime I take this overnight oatmeal, I just eat either one meal a day. Maybe in the night I might take juice and sleep because I'm still filled, or I eat another light like salad later in the day, then drink juice, and that's it, because this is so filling. All right, this is really really filling. The fiber helps, like when you are trying to lose weight, you need to take more of fiber, more of protein, and less calorie. All right, so it also helps in blood sugar levels and reduce cravings, which I can testify about it. When I take this, I don't really feel hungry. All right, so I'm adding banana inside just to make it not to be boring. Okay, and I'm also going to be adding these coconut chips. You can use any topping of your choice. Okay, so inside the overnight oatmeal you need to add chai seed. Chai seed is really really good. Okay, it helps in filling you up very well. It has omega 3 fatty acid inside, and it's so good for your overall health in general. So I'm just putting these coconut chips inside. You can put either any chips of your choice. Then I like using this one as well, this chocolate syrup, just to give it that more attractiveness. Okay, some people don't eat food that is not attractive. Yeah, so me, I can eat the overnight oatmeal without all these ingredients. So but just for the video's sake, I just want to make it look very attractive to eat. All right, guys. So enjoy these 3 ways of eating oatmeal for your breakfast, and you get filled up. All right, besties. The first one was cooked one, and the second one was pancake, and this third one was overnight oatmeal. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.